click on add money and then select debit card. Now I'm going to be adding $137. So we click on pay. So I just enter my OTP for $137 and then I click on what? Confirm. You will see congratulations, money has been successfully loaded to your account. So when I click OK now, you will see I now have a total of what? 142.81 US dollars. When you're on Binance, so put 139. Yes, 139. So click on what? Continue. So change card. This is the card here, and I'll put the CVV of my card and then click on confirm. So you see I will receive 133.03 USDT. So I'll put in my OTP and then I click on submit. So you can see now that what purchase has been successful. I've used my $139 to purchase 133.03 USDT.
So I got some cash inflow in US dollars a few days ago, and I went to the bank yesterday to withdraw my dollars, and I was told no cash, no dollars, and I was like, is this playing? What type of playing is this? CBN mark by me now. Sorry. So I had to think hard and bring back my card arbitrage abilities. Now listen, as at this month being June 2022, if you use your card, your Nigerian ATM card, to purchase cryptocurrency online like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Peercoin, etc., you are going to have serious issues with the CBN, and your account may be restricted or blocked. Get that right. What you are going to do is to buy fiat currencies. Fiat currencies are something like US dollar, British pounds, Ugandan shillings, the euro, Ghanaian cedis, or any other fiat currency. And that's exactly what I'll be doing in this video. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Waterfred1, and I teach things about arbitrage, buying and selling of e-currencies, fiat currencies, in order to make profits online. So stay tuned on this one and make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss any step.
So guys, what I did was open this app called PYYPL. And as you can see, I already have 10.09 US dollars inside. Now what you're going to do here is just to add money, click on add money and then select debit card. But before you add money, I would like to show you that there are some fees associated with this PPYPL or PYYPL. Now, if you click on fees, yeah, of course, if you click here and you click on fees, you will see all the fees. Load card from debit card 0.30 US dollar plus 2.9%. Just read through the fees. They are not too much for me. I think they are just normal. Yeah, so just click on add money and then select debit card, click OK, and then you just put in your card details. Now I'm going to be adding $137. With this $137, not like you're going to receive 141 US dollar, but rather 4.27 USD will be removed for charges. So we click on pay. So I just enter my OTP for $137 US and then I click on what? Confirm. You will see congratulations, money has been successfully loaded to your account. So when I click OK now, you will see I now have a total of what? 142.81 US dollars. When you do the maths with the previous amount we had and the small amount we were charged. Now that we have 142 US dollars here, what are we going to do? Now this platform is pretty simple. There are two major ways for you to enjoy this arbitrage. Just click on send to crypto, then you click on continue. Here you put your USDT deposit address. Yeah, so let me show you what you're going to do on Binance. When you go to Binance, when you're on Binance, you just click on deposit. You select or you search USDT. You can search it or you just select it here that I have searched it already. and then you see the first one, BEP20. That's what they are talking about here. You just select it, and then that is the address. If you check now, that is the address that I have there. I just put in the amount that I want. I can just put, let's say, like 2 USD with this method. Yeah, so you just click on next. You see I'll be getting 1.96 USDT. Yeah, so I just click on confirm. Okay, you will see status refunded. This is the easier way for you to do it, but now you can see that this app started writing this refunded. It means it didn't go through and the money has been bounced back. If you want the easier way, once in a while you can try this method, and anytime it goes, you are done. But look at the sure way I'm always using, that is always working. Now, when you just come here, you see that you have a virtual card from PPYPL, and you can also activate a physical card. Now, this virtual card, I used this virtual card directly on Binance, and it was just so amazing and it worked. So let us go and use this card directly now and purchase USDT on Binance and make more profits or make more value with our money. When you get to Binance, the first thing you're going to do is just select credit or debit card. But before then, if you don't see credit and debit card here, what I recommend you do is to change your currency. Go to P2P, click on funding and go to P2P, and then change your currency. If your currency is in Naira, please change it to US dollars, USD. And now that you have your currency in USD, what you're going to do is to head back home. When you head back home, you are now going to see what credit or debit card option. So click on credit or debit card, and then you search for USDT. So when you select USDT, it will ask you the amount that you want to buy. Before you put the amount, I would like you to note that PYYPL charge 2%, 2% while you're making international payments with a card. So let us quickly do 2% and then find out of this. So when you go to your app, of course, it's just as simple as 2 divided by 100 equal to this multiplied by 142. What's the amount? 0.81. So it is what? 2.86. So we say 142.81. We say 142.81 minus 2.86. So let us just put 139 US dollars in here. So we'll put 139. Yes, 139. So click on what? Continue. So change card. This is the card here. If you've not added the card for the first time, you can still click on change card and then click on add a new card down here. And I'll put the CVV of my card and then click on confirm. So you see I will receive 133.03 USDT. Click on refresh and then click on confirm. Then I'll click on bank link. So what I'm just going to do is what? Head over to PPIPL to get the OTP. So you can see the OTP is already waiting for me here. But in case you don't see the OTP here, what you're going to do is what? Just come to these 3 dots right here and click on OTP. And then you see it there waiting for you. So I'll put in my OTP. And then I'll click on submit. So you can see now that what purchase has been successful. I've used my $139 to purchase 133.03 USDT. Then I can rate my experience as very satisfied, and I like, I'll tell them great. And then I click on submit. So now if I just go to my wallet, right now if I go to my wallet, view wallet, you will see now that I have what I have, and I have some money, and I have about 148 USDT, 148.83 USDT in my Binance wallet. And let us go back to PPYPL and then let's take a look at what we have. You will see now that we just have what $1 left in there. That means we did a pretty good calculation. Yeah. So now that I'm here right now, what I'm just going to do is what? So if I want, I can sell this 148.03 to Naira. I have some money already, some money already in my funding. I have 60 USD in my funding. Now just move transfer this money from here, from spot to funding. Click on USDT and then click on max, and then you click on transfer. Now that transfer is successful, if we refresh, you notice that we don't have any other money in our spot, but rather we have all the money in the funding wallet. So I'll just click on P2P down here, and then I click on select sell, and then right from filter, first of all I'll change the currency to NGN, Nigerian Naira, and then select filter. I want to sell with bank transfer, and if this thing is turned on, please turn it off. It will help reduce it. I don't know, I just like turning it off myself. And then in the amount, when you come to the amount, if you are on sell, here you will see like 117. Whenever you see this first one 117, what you just do is just select 117, subtract 4 from it, 613 multiplied by we want to sell 148, is about 90,000 naira. So what we're going to do now is what, come to this filter, and then we want people are selling from about 90,000. So this is it. So refresh now, and then you are here, click on the first person, type 148.36. so then select your payment method,
and then you see that I'll be receiving 91,414 naira, and then I click on sell with zero fee.
So we just wait for this guy to make payments before we release this coin. You can see now that I just got a credit alert of this amount, 91,414. So I will still log into my app and then confirm this, and once I confirm it, I will release this coin. So I'll just click on payment received, because I've received the money. Click on this, click on I've received the payment, and click on confirm, and then I'll put in my Google Authenticator code, and then complete this trade, submit. So here we have it, done and dusted.
So basically, this whole video is all about a second option, just in case you go to the bank for you to withdraw your physical dollars and there is no dollar available in the bank. For me, the most profitable way is to withdraw it over the counter and sell it physically at the black market. But just in case you don't want to go through that hustle, or really you don't want to risk being scammed, or you don't want to just go out in the streets and look for the exchangers at the black market, you can use this option pretty right from your room, and under 15 minutes you are going to have your dollars converted to naira at the highest rate that you can ever get online. If you enjoyed this one, leave a like. If you don't enjoy this one, smash dislike twice and tell me why in the comment section. And make sure you share my videos on social media, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms, so that other people too will gain value from these videos that we share online. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next one. Peace.